Skincare products are too expensive. Skincare products are not affordable. Skincare products are this. Skincare products are that. These are some of the fears that most of us have. I'm saying most of us because including myself, that made us abandon our skincare journey, or we don't even want to go into it at all. Some person actually started their skincare, but at some point they were not able to afford such products again. Probably because those products are too expensive, or probably because they were not able to meet up to their budget for a particular certain period of time. And you know, the worst annoying part is that it is better for you not to start skincare at all than to start skincare and then along the way you cannot complete your skincare journey. Okay, so if you are scared that most of those products are very, very expensive, I am here to give you some cheap and affordable products you can get for your skincare. Please get me for disclaimers. I am not a skincare expert or a skincare guru. This is me just sharing my own idea and also sharing with you the products that I use that are less and cheap for me. Okay, so these products are less than 10,000 naira. Some are even less than 5,000 naira.
It's by Sonia.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another Vibes on Your Table. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do have to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly do not forget to share. Okay, so for all my skincare babies, grab your cup of coffee and let's just dive right into this video. Some of these products I'll be sharing with you, I can't really remember their exact price, but I can actually remember the range of those their prices. So if I'm bringing any of that to you, just understand. Okay, first product I'll be sharing with you is this simple facial smoothing toner. So this simple facial smoothing toner goes for 3,500. The tag is still there, I've not removed it. It goes for 3,500. You can see that it is not even up to, I don't know if you guys can see the tag here, it is not even up to 5,000 naira, and the facial toner is actually doing the work. So if you're looking for a facial toner that is affordable, you can actually go for simple facial toner. It is affordable. The next one I'll be sharing with you is this cosmetic pad. So this cosmetic pad goes for 2,000 naira plus. It's not even up to 3,000. It's not even up to 2,500. Just that I didn't know the exact price again. So you can actually go for this cosmetic pad. At least you have over 80. I don't know if it's correct, but I'm seeing 80 here. So I think you have over 80 cosmetic pad here, and this can actually go a long way. This can actually serve you a month or two depending on how you are using it. Okay, so this cosmetic pad is something you should also go for, because whenever you need your facial toner or any other thing that you want to use to wipe your face, the cosmetic pad will actually go a long way for you. So looking for an affordable cosmetic pad, then you need to go for this. What I'm going to be showing you is this soap, which is Dudu Oshun. I don't know if you guys know this soap. So this is my soap. I noticed that ever since I started using this soap, I don't usually have those irritation I usually have in my skin. If you'll be using this soap, also let me know in the comment section. Has this soap been doing the job for you, or have you used this soap and you have any irritation or stuff like that? Also let me know. But this Dudu Oshu black soap has been the soap I've been using for over 6 months now, and this soap is actually doing the work for me. So if you're looking for affordable soaps that you can actually use for your skin, you can also go for Dudu Oshu, clears rashes and every other stuff that I know on my body. So this Dudu Oshu cost me 950 naira. Yes, I'm sure 950 naira. So you can go for this. It's not even up to 1,000 naira. Probably might be up to 1,000 naira in your area, I don't know, but it's very affordable and it's less than 10,000 naira. Okay, and I'll be sharing with you, I've even finished it. It's simple moisturizing facial wash. Simple moisturizing facial wash costs me about 4,000 naira when I got it. I don't know about now. So it cost me about 4,000 naira, and this is it. I've even finished it. Okay, it's mainly just very tiny inside. So but this facial wash is actually doing the job. It's not up to 10,000 naira. So looking for a very affordable facial wash, you can go for this simple moisturizing facial wash. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Next one I'm going to be sharing with you is this Perfect and Radiant Even Tone 3-in-1 cleanser. There's something I love about this Nivea Perfect and Radiant 3-in-1 cleanser, because you can use this to wash, you can use it to scrub, and you can use it to mask. And the good part of this is for all skin type, normal to oily skin. So if you are looking for affordable skincare, you can go for this. I think I got this about 6,000 naira plus. I don't know the exact amount, but I know I got about 6,000 naira plus. So you can see that it's less than 10,000 naira and it's affordable, and it's something that even if you want to get it over and over, any supermarket you just bump into, you can get. And of which that is something that is very, very important when you're considering skincare. Don't buy all those products that when you need it again, you have to now go to a longer distance to go and purchase. So perfect, radiant and even tone 3-in-1 facial cleanser is something I can advise you to go for. I'll be showing you is this sunscreen, and this is the Gavian sun block and brighten cream. And to be honest, this is actually doing the job. So what you need to do is, if you want to get it, all you just need to do is to go to any supermarket and then ask for this particular sunscreen. You're going to be seeing it there. This cost me about 5,000 naira plus. Yes, it is not up to 10,000 naira as well. So if you're looking for affordable sunscreen for you to use, you can also go for this. This will actually do the job for you. But note, don't rub this in the night, okay? So you're just only going to use it for your sunscreen, maybe probably in the morning or when you're going out under the sun, stuff like that, okay? So this is it, very affordable, very cheap, and it's plenty. This can actually serve you for 2-3 months depending on your usage, or let me just say 1-2 months depending on your usage. Let me not overemphasize on this, okay? This can actually do the job for you. This cost me about 4,000 naira plus ish, so you can see that it's not even up to 10,000 naira. So all of these products are affordable skincare products that I've shown you here. If you've been using any one, let me know in the comment section. And what do you think about all of these skincare products? Have you used anyone and it irritates you before? Also let me know. I can't even pack up. Also let me know. Let me know which one you've been using. Let me know which one is effect on your skin. So yeah, I hope this video is able to help anyone looking for affordable skincare products. If it does, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Don't also forget to drop me a comment for every other person's to like see your comment. Don't also forget to share this video. And with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be seen back, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you. Mwah.